You remembered Hannah and turned her tears into joy. You remembered Sarah and fulfilled your promise. You turned water into wine and changed a family's shame into celebration. Lord, I know you still remember your children. Remember me today. I have prayed through the silent night. I have carried hopes that only you can see. Like Hannah pouring out her heart, I bring my tears before your feet. I know your timing is perfect. I know your promises remain. The God who opens barren places can make dry bones live again. When my strength is gone, be my strength again. When my faith grows weak, carry me once more. Remember me today, oh Lord. Let your mercy speak for me. Open the doors no man can shut, and turn my tears to testimony. Remember me today, oh Lord. Breathe upon these dreams again. I still believe you work miracles. I still believe my story can change. You remember Sarah in her old age, and laughter filled her weary heart. You called the impossible possible, because nothing is too hard for you. You saw a wedding without joy and turned the water into wine. So I know you can change my story and make this season beautiful in time. You are the God of impossible things. You are the God who never forgets. You remember the broken, you remember the waiting, you remember the weary and the weak. If you remember me today, my morning will become dancing. If you remember me today, my waiting will become rejoicing. Remember me today. Remember me today. By your mercy, remember me. I will wait on you. I will trust in you. My hope is in you alone. Jesus, remember me. Jesus, remember me. I know you have not forgotten me. The God who remembered Hannah, the God who remembers Sarah, the God who turned water into wine is still the same today. I lift my hands and still believe you will